Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your browser and account. You need Chrome or Edge and to be signed in so the extension can store preferences. Once ready, open the browser's extensions store and search for Social Blade. This saves time versus manual installs. Make sure the version matches your browser. Chrome extensions won't install on unsupported builds. Click the extension listing to see permissions and reviews before you proceed. This helps you understand what data the extension accesses. After verifying the listing, click Add to Chrome or Get for Edge and accept the listed permissions. This step allows data to display on YouTube pages. Once installed, pin the extension to your toolbar so it's always visible. This speeds up access. Next, open YouTube and load a channel page to let Social Blade populate metrics. If it doesn't show, refresh and check extension settings. You'll understand the why. Permissions enable overlay stats and tooltips on channel and video pages. Finish by opening the extensions options to tailor which metrics appear and to control any privacy settings. This makes the tool match your needs. If the Social Blade icon or overlays don't appear on YouTube, disable conflicting extensions or clear the browser cache and reload the page, often a quick fix. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the extension and restart the browser to reset permissions. Doing so usually resolves lingering install or permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.